We are here right now in Birch Hill Park. See the view. This is a view of Birch Hill Park. There see, there's a lot of horses over there.
Yeah, I miss him a lot.
Yeah. Anyway, if he has complete papers, you can bring
He
him.
had. The brother of Yusra will bring him next year.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool for a while.
This adobo, chicken adobo. This is a rice. This is a lamb with.
No, it's not lemon.
It's not a lamb.
This
Okay.
is the oja.
Oja.
Yeah.
That's tomato, onion.
Tomato, paste of tomato. This is spicy pepper, and also this is the pepper. Salt, curcuma,
Yeah.
onion, garlic, oil.
Yeah. Smells good. Smells.
Yeah. In Tunisia also we put saucisse. Merguez.
Yes. Like a sausage.
This is lamb.
Yeah. Lamb.
Lamb. Lamb karuk. Laham is meat, right?
Laham is meat. Yeah. You can
Laham
say
meat.
like laham pork,
Laham
laham beef.
pork, laham beef. This laham lamb.
Laham lamb.
Karuk.
Yes.
Karuk. Well, yes.
But
Where's Dudi?
the
He's not coming.
No. Let's put to it. Huh?
Yeah, that's it. It's a Christmas tree. Yeah, but there's no decoration on it.
Fry the fish first. Make the sauce and put the fish. With rice, of course. You have to eat it with rice.
In Tunisia we don't use rice, white rice. We use bread.
Because in the Philippines, rice is life. We eat breakfast with rice, lunch, and dinner.
And snack.
Yeah, breakfast we do. The breakfast we do fried rice.
moist, which is a good thing.
Yeah. See.
Low on AT40 at number 15 in our countdown of the 40 biggest. He moves up a notch with his latest called The Old Songs. On the current hit list,
Natuloy yung ano? Natuloy yung ano yung vlog mo? Abang maya pa. Ayun, because itawanan ko. Oh, mapin.
You just eat
Mapin ko. Thank you.
defrost my hair.
Yan na kumain ka.
It's very cold.
You want?
Well, last year with the generous donations from Winnipeggers, we had over 90 hampers, as well as we had almost $2,000 in cash donations.
how long has this been coming about? You've been working on this for a long time.
Yes, we've been working on this for a few years. Last year was the first year of it, and it was successful. We just want to keep building on it. We want to double the numbers. We want to be able to give back to our families that are in need.
What can people do to help? What do we want to bring to Four Crowns today?
So today, if you guys can come out and bring cash donations, non-parents.
Complete dental care for pediatric and orthodontic dentists. The orthodontists cater to grown-ups too. 3 locations on Regent, on Pembina, and on McPhillips. Book an appointment today.
When the child is in the hospital, visitors come to say hi.
But for me, I like it because I like sweet. Yeah.
I have a sweet tooth. It takes to stay. At Ronald McDonald House, we believe families shouldn't have to fight alone. So we make sure they have everything they need. With a community of support, warm meals, and a place to rest. Because when the
Where
child
are you
is
going
sick,
to deliver?
family stays. And Ronald McDonald House stays with them. Visit us at ronaldmcdonaldhouse.ca.
So bad.
Especially you know, you are living, you know, north.
Yeah.
But you're living in south. Otherwise,
I don't know. I'm not racist, but I'm not racist.
Yay!
But I don't know. These the call it, what do you call it?
Napos ka na ba dyan sa camera mo?
Wala pa.
Indigenous, yeah. Why they behave like this? Cannabis? No, they don't do that. No. You can smoke. I don't know. No, it's
you have to like go home.
Go home. Go home, Edwan.
Stay here for overnight.
Stay here for overnight.
That is only a winter. We are a human being.
You're gonna get hypothermia.
I said this again.
There's a spot over here, but I don't know what's this. But there's a like a footprints of, I don't know, it's the horse or the bison. I don't know what is this. There's a footprints over here, right? Yeah, there's a shed. I don't know what do you call this one. What do you call for this one? We are here in Birch Hill Park. Yeah, this is a Birch Hill Park. This is Boyle. He's walking over here. He's walking over here. Okay, say hi, Mark. Bye. This is a Christmas tree.
Cold. There is
Yeah, it's very cold here. The temperature is what? Feels like negative 5, negative 10. Temperature is
Negative 3.
negative 3. Feels like negative 3.
And the actual temperature is
Yeah. Okay.
positive 2.
The polar bear.
Yeah, that's Wales from Tunisia.
From Tunisia.
Tunisia.
Yes, from
And
Tunisia.
Yusra from Tunisia also.
The food
That's
was
a
so.
couple.
The food from Tunisia too.
Yeah, and also the Tunisia. What's the name of the food?
Asia.
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 Oja. It's more easy.
Asia.
Tomato,
Asia.
onion,
Yes.
garlic, tomato.
Asia.
Asia.
You put a lamp over here, no?
No.
That's a sauce.
We can.
Yeah, we can do
We
it.
can do it
Kain ka na, Ichi.
by lamb, by shrimps, by everything.
Mga bata lang sino.
We put also.
Gitig mo mga yun, adobo lang. Ma'am, titignan mo lang. And it looks like ugly, but you know the taste is.
No.
But the taste is
This
wonderful.
one is ugly.
Yeah, it's looks. Mapingin tino mami, patigin mo kaya no? Kay YL. That's specially
It's what?
chicken only. That's
Chicken.
YL. Yeah.
One of the traditional food.
It's halal. There's no pork. It's halal. Yeah, it's halal. I remove the skin of the chicken.
Okay.
Yep. And also, you need to taste it.
Yeah.
Yeah, just taste it. Not number one, but you know, it's like. But there's a taste. There's a taste.
Maybe number 2.
Not tasteless, yeah.
Yeah. Good taste.
Brian?
It's good also
It tastes
for
good.
Yeah, it's good for rice for the Filipino.
Yeah, you can put rice. Yeah.
Rice, my son like rice.
Oh, really?
Filipino.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yan, pauwi na tayo, ginabi na tayo. Pero hindi naman gabi lang talagang tingnan, pero maaga pa, 5:19 lang. Hapon pa lang dito, 5:19. Yun nga lang, mag-winter na kasi kaya talagang maaga yung ano,